Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss types of parabolas. Types of parabolas. So this conic section chapter is already deleted from our syllabus in NCERT point of view, both point of view. So syllabus is not deleted in the competitive examination. That's why in parabola and the circles and hyperbola ellipse I will give full concepts. Full concepts I will give. Okay na? So you have to see this one. So next types of parabolas. Types of parabolas means you have four types. You have four types in your textbook. Next, one by one. First one. This is vertex. This name is y square equal to 4x. Next, second one. This is focus. L vertex. This is y square equal to minus 4ax. Next one. L. This name is x square equal to 4ay. X square equal to 4ay. Last one. X square equal to minus 4a. X square equal to minus 4a. These four parabolas. So what are common points? First one. So vertex. Next one, focus. Directrix. Next one, axis. Next point, length of the lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. LR means lattice rectum. You see in this first diagram, what is the vertex? Vertex is 0, 0. Vertex is 0, 0. Next, what is the focus of first one? First one focus is a, 0. Next one, directrix. Directrix means L. L equation is x is equal to minus a. So axis is x-axis. X-axis equation is y is equal to 0. Equation is y is equal to 0. So length of the lattice rectum is 4a. So remaining three diagrams same. So vertex of first one Vertex of second one is what? Same 0, comma 0. That is our vertex. Next one, what is focus? Focus is minus a comma 0. Next one, directrix equation, x is equal to a. Next one, x-axis comma y is equal to 0. Next one, length of the lattice rectum is 4a. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. Next one, in third diagram. So what is the vertex? Vertex is 0, comma 0. Then what is focus coordinates? Focus coordinates are 0, comma a. Next one, equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix, y is equal to a. Next one, axis. Axis means this axis is y axis. So equation is x is equal to 0. Next one, length of the lattice rectum is 4a. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. Next one, vertex is fourth diagram is 0, comma 0. Next 0, comma minus a, focus. Next one, y is equal to minus a. Next one, y axis comma x is equal to 0. So equation is x. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. So each diagram, each diagram these points are very, very important. Okay na? So many points are there, we will discuss in the competitive. First of all, you have to practice this. So first diagram and vertex, focus, directrix, axis and the length of the lattice rectum. See, once again I will show you. So vertex means this one. This is our vertex. This is our focus. So next directrix means L. Directrix means L. In every diagram L is there na? That is our directrix. Next one, length of the lattice rectum. So length of the lattice rectum means this is our lattice rectum. This is our lattice rectum. So this is our lattice rectum. So this is our lattice rectum, every diagram. So this is our lattice rectum. So that length should be always 4a only in every diagram. 4a only in every diagram. Right? Now down fast. So one simple example problem we will solve on this. Only one example problem we will solve on this one. One example problem. Find the vertex, comma, focus, comma, axis, comma, equation of directrix, equation of the directrix, and length of lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum of the parabola. Parabola is y square equal to 8x. Y square equal to 8x. this parabola is given, you have to simplify. So given equation of the parabola, given equation of the parabola y square equal to 8x. Now compare with what is parabola equation, y square equal to 4ax. So you have four equations are there. So y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax. So x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. Understand? So y square equal to 4ax. So we have to compare. So what is 4a value? 4a is what? 8. So 8 is equal to what? 2. Now you should write first point. So what is vertex? So what are the vertex coordinates? So y square equal to 8x is given. So that vertex coordinates are 0 comma 0 1. Next one, second point is what? What is our second point? Focus. So focus is what? So focus is a comma 0. So what is a here? 2 comma 0. So next one is what? Third point. What is third point? So axis. What is axis? So what is axis? This parabola is like this one. This parabola is like this one. This parabola is like this. So axis is what? Axis is what? X-axis. Axis means x-axis only. X-axis only. Next fourth point is what? What is our fourth point? Equation of the directrix. So equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix is what? X is equal to, so this is L, this L is x is equal to minus C. So x is equal to minus A value is what? 2. X is equal to minus 2 is the equation of directrix. Next, what is the last point? Fifth point is what? Length of the lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum equal to 4a. So 4 into a value 2. So answer is 8. Answer is 8. Answer is 8. Note down fast. Next, ellipse. Ellipse. So note down the definition. Ellipse is the locus of a point. Locus of a point. Ellipse is the locus of a point which moves such that the ratio of its distance from the fixed point called focus. So to its distance from to its distance from the fixed line called directrix. So is always a fixed constant which is less than 1, that is called ellipse definition. So I was already told you while studying that conic section, for definition given E equal to 0. E means what? So E means what? SP by PM. That ratio is constant. That constant ratio you have to consider as E. You have to consider as E eccentricity. So that eccentricity value E equal to 1. So that is called parabola. E less than 1. So that is called ellipse. E is greater than 1. That is called hyperbola. I said very clearly. The same definition only given. So then what is the shape of this one? So ellipse one. Shape of this one. This is our ellipse. This is our axis. This is our center. So this has two focus. F1, F2 foci, two directrix. This is called major axis. This is called minor axis. Two foci, F1 equal to F1, F2 are focus. C is equal to center. So these are L1, this is called latus rectum, L1, L2. L1, L2, L3, L4. These are latus rectums. These are latus rectums. These are called directrix. L1, L2. These are directrix. Means in this ellipse, that is the shape of the ellipse. This is having two foci, two directrix, two latus rectums. So one center is there. Okay na? So what is the equation of the hyperbola? Then how many types are there? Then directly I will give. You have to see. Next to the diagram, that equation. This equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A is greater than First one. Next one. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is a less than. This is a less than. This is a less than. Then what are there in this one? So point wise you note down. First point, center. Inside only you write center. Second one, foci. Focus, plural form is foci. Third point is length of major axis. Fourth point, length of minor axis. Fifth point, length of latus rectum. So these points only you have to learn. These points only you have to not much. Center. So what is the center of this one? 0, 0 coordinates. This one also 0, 0. Next, first point is over. Next, second point, foci. Foci is what? Foci is AE, 0 plus or minus. This is 0, plus or minus BE, 0. These are the coordinates of the. Last point, very important point. Eccentricity. This is very important point. Eccentricity also very important. Next, length of major axis. This is 2A, this is 2B. So this is length of minor axis. This is 2B, this is 2A. Length of the latus rectum, 2B square by A. This is 2A square by B. Next, eccentricity is denoted by E equal to root over A square minus B square by A square. This is E is equal to B square minus A square divided by B square. That is our eccentricity. These points are very important. So many points we will discuss in the competitive. So starting you have to learn what is ellipse definition. So what are the so here you see center means this one, foci means this one. F1, F2 plus or minus given. So next length of the major axis. Length of major axis means this one. This is major axis length. Minor axis means this one. Whenever in the diagram. Next one is the length of the latus rectum. This length. This length. Next one is eccentricity. Eccentricity already you know that. Eccentricity value. So E is equal to root over A square minus B square divided by A square. So here eccentricity is, so E is equal to B square minus A square. So here both equations are same. Both equations are same. So what is the difference between these two? This is A greater than B. This is A less than B. A less than B, A greater than B. Same equations are same. So on this one example you see. And this one an example, you see all of you. One example question. Find center, foci, length of major axis, comma, length of minor axis, comma, eccentricity and length of latus rectum, of the ellipse, is x square by 16 y square by 4 equal to 1. X square by 16 y square by 4 is equal to 1. Listen carefully. See solution. Given equation of the ellipse, x square by 16 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Now x square outside is there, you have to compare with this ellipse equation, compare with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. You have to compare. Then you have to write, after that you have to decide this is a greater than b or a less than. So a square is equal to what? 16. So a is equal to what? To take positive values. B square is equal to 4. So b is equal to what? So now it is a is greater than b. Now you know that a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2 means a is greater than b. So you see table 1. First table you have to see. So what they are asking, center. Center is 0, 0 in the two tables. So second one is what? Second one you have to simplify eccentricity. Eccentricity you simplify. E value. E value is what? A square minus b square divided by a square. So a square value 16, b square value 4 divided by 16. Then you simplify 16 minus 4 12. 12 divided by 16. So simplification. So 4 3s and 4 4s. So this value root 3 by 2. That is our eccentricity. Next you simplify foci. So what are the coordinates of foci? Plus or minus a comma 0. Plus or minus a. A value is what here? 4. Into e value root 3 by 2 comma 0. Then you simplify what you are getting, plus or minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3 comma 0. Understand? Next one. Third point. So third point is over. Next point is fourth point. Length of minor axis. Length of minor axis. Length of major axis. Length of major axis what? That is 2a. So 2 into a value 4. That is 8. Next fifth point. What is our fifth point? Length of minor axis. Length of minor axis. Length of minor axis. So you see that table and write that value 2b. So 2b means 2 into 2, that value is 4. 2 into 2, that value is 4. Next last point. Next to last point. What is the last point? That is the sixth point. Length of latus rectum. So length of latus rectum. It is equal to 2b square by a. 2b square by a formula. 2 into b B square value 4 divided by A. A value 4. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Then you simplify. You see that table and simplify each and every value. Each and every value. Note down fast. Each and every value you can simplify like that. Next, hyperbola. Hyperbola. Hyperbola is the locus of a point. Hyperbola is the locus of a point which moves such that its distance from the fixed point called locus which moves such that the ratio of its distance from the fixed point, called focus to its fixed line called directrix is always a constant which is greater than one. That is ellipse equation. You see that diagram. You see that this is our diagram. This is F1, this is F2. L1, L2. Two directrix, two foci. Let us rectum. This is axis. This is our axis. So here also two cases are there. So L1, L2 are directrix, and this is the center. That is the center. This is F1 and F2 are foci. You are using the same formulas. We are using the same formulas, but this is called a transverse axis. This is called conjugate axis. That is only. So in that ellipse, this name is major axis. This is called minor axis. In this hyperbola, this is called transverse axis. This is called y-axis. Nothing but y-axis. Nothing but what? Conjugate axis. Note down first. Next, about this one. Equation x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Another one. This name is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. Is this diagram and the equation. So in that one, same points we have to discuss. Same points we are going to discuss. First one is what? Center. Center. Second point, foci. Foci. Third point, length of a transverse axis. Length of transverse axis. Fourth point, so length of conjugate axis. Sixth point, fifth point, eccentricity. Sixth point, length of latus rectum. LR means latus rectum. So these 6 points we have to discuss. First one, center is 0, 0. Same formulas. What formulas we used in that ellipse? The same formulas. Names only different. Few names only different. Foci plus or minus AE, 0. This is 0, plus or minus B. Same formulas. One formula could change again. Length of the latus rectum 2A. This is 2B. This is 2B. This is 2A. Next one, eccentricity E is equal to A square plus B square divided by A square. So this is eccentricity A square plus B square divided by B square. So length of latus rectum 2B square by A, 2A square by B. So these are the formulas. These are the formulas. Note down fast. These are the formulas. Note down fast. This name is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. Are not called main points. Still many points are there. We will discuss in the competitive examination. Okay, in that competitive. So I use one example question. I use one example. Find an example question. Find the center. Find the center, comma foci, length of transverse axis, length of transverse axis, comma length of conjugate axis, comma eccentricity and length of latus rectum of the hyperbola x square by 64 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. X square by 64 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. That is our hyperbola equation. So we are going to simplify. You are going to simplify center, foci, length of latus transverse axis, length of conjugate axis, all these points. One by one you have to decide. So first one, solution. Equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola. So what is that? X square by 64 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. So what is a square value? So a square equal to 64, b square equal to 9. So a is equal to 8, b is equal to a is equal to 8, b is equal to 3. Right? So this is type 1 only. Type 1 only. Is equal to minus 1 means type 2. Now first you have to simplify eccentricity value. E value. E is equal to what? What is our formula? A square plus b square divided by a square. So a square value is what here? 64. B square value is what? 9 divided by 64. So add 64 plus 9. How much the value? 73. Root 73 divided by 8. Root 73 divided by 8. That is our essence. Next you write all the points. So this point is our next center. Center is what? 0, 0. Next what? Foci. Foci is what? Plus or minus a, 0 formula. Plus or minus a, 0. Plus or minus a. A is what? 8. E value is what? Root 73 divided by 8, 0. Then you simplify, that is what is the value? Plus or minus root 73, 0. That is our foci. Next one. Length of transverse axis. Length of transverse axis. What is that? What is our formula? 2a. So 2 into what is a value? 8. That is 60. That is 60. Next one. Length of conjugate axis. Conjugate axis. It is equal to 2b. So 2 into what is our b value? 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next one. Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. So length of latus rectum is equal to what? 2b square by a formula. So 2 into b square value is what? 2 into b square value 9 divided by a value 8. So this is 9 by 4. So in ellipse and hyperbola formulas are same. Ellipse and hyperbola formulas are same. Just you have to practice. So that is not there in the syllabus. So you should practice all the points. So whatever given in this parabola, circle and ellipse, all these points you have to practice. Okay, right? So that is not there in the syllabus. This is not there in the grand test syllabus. Okay? Okay, thank you all. Thank you everyone.